Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to send your current location on WhatsApp. Whether you're meeting friends, coordinating with colleagues, or just want to let someone know where you are, WhatsApp makes it incredibly easy to share your location with just a few taps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. This is the same app you use every day to chat with friends and family. But today we're going to explore one of its most useful features, location sharing. Once you're in the app, navigate to the chat with the person or group you want to share your location with. It could be a friend you're meeting for coffee, or a family member who wants to know you're safe. Whatever the reason, WhatsApp's got you covered. Now, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a small icon that looks like a paperclip or a plus sign, depending on your device. This is the attachment icon, and it's where you'll find the option to share your location. Tap on this icon to open up a menu of different attachments you can send, from photos to documents, and of course, your location. In this menu, select Location. WhatsApp will then ask you how you want to share your location. You have two main options. You can either send your current location or share your live location. For this tutorial, we're focusing on sending your current location, which is a static, one-time share. This is perfect for letting someone know exactly where you are at this moment. To send your current location, simply tap on Send Your Current Location. WhatsApp will use your device's GPS to pinpoint your exact location and send it as a clickable map link to the person or group you're chatting with. They can then view your location on a map, making it easy for them to find you or understand where you are. This feature is not only convenient, but also enhances safety and coordination. Whether you're in an unfamiliar place or just need to confirm your meeting spot, sharing your current location on WhatsApp is a quick and effective way to communicate. So, the next time you need to let someone know where you are, give this feature a try. It's simple, efficient, and can save you a lot of time and confusion. Thanks for watching.